Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial we're gonna look at how to archive chats in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version. In case you have not, do update it and log into your account right now. Now let's just say we want to archive chats. I'm gonna show you guys an example of how to archive chats and unarchive it. Right here, let's say I want to archive this chat. Simply click and hold on the chat you want to archive, and something like this will open up at the top. Well, there are many options like pin, delete, mute, and right here in between the mute notifications and more button you'll find archive. Simply click on it. Now as you can see, we have archived our chat. Now let's try to unarchive it. Right here at the very top you'll see something like archived. Simply click on it, and as you can see, this is the chat that I had just archived. And do note that you can also edit the archive settings. Right here at the top right, here are these three dots. Simply click on it, and let's go to archive settings. There's a setting like this that says keep chats archived. Archived chats will remain archived when you receive a new message. Well, turning this button on and off is completely up to you. Now I'm gonna try to unarchive this message. Simply click and hold, and right here, just in between the mute notifications and this more button, here's this button right here. That's kind of like archive. Simply click on it, and there you go. We have successfully archived and unarchived chats in WhatsApp. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you archive chats in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.